Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to do some vibe coding using Cursor, and we try to see how the vibe coding works. That is a first part of a series that I am going to check in reality that how vibe coding is working. Obviously, I will start from the beginning and some small ideas and small project like a to-do list or something like that, and then we will go on a bigger one. I bought a Cursor AI account just for your info. My special tokens 500 first is finished, but I will continue with what I have at the moment, and let's see how does it work. First of all, first vibe coding, first episode, we will make a to-do list, maybe with Express.js, I guess. So create a Express.js app or backend maybe using TypeScript, and also best practices to make a to-do list service, or maybe I can make it a little bit more fun. Maybe I expense backend. Hopefully I wrote it right. Okay, let us start. But first make a list of activities and then start. Okay, let's see how does that work. Okay, let me see. Sorry. Okay, activity list, project setup. Initiate a new Node.js with TypeScript setup, ESLint, pretty up, very good. Configure TS config JSON. Install dependencies, project structure would be source, is good. And then basic Express server, okay. Environment configuration, Express track, define Express model. Create read update, add validation and authentication. Nice, it is really nice. Testing and write basic test and API documentation. Swagger error handling version. Yes. Also for ORM, object relational mapping, what do you want to use? Yeah. Change to German. Okay. It is generating a Prisma type ORM Mongoose. If you want to use a SQL database, Postgres SQLite. Okay. Use SQLite with, or better to say, Postgres Docker, and also type ORM, I guess. Better. Let's see how does it works. Before start, let me make my Docker completely empty, because I did a video yesterday. I am also parallel with these videos making a Emo Finder application. It's a property management application side project that I'm doing now for the German market, obviously. And yeah, these are the Docker containers from yesterday. Let us Tell him to go on and see how npm init. That's right. Good. Package JSON. Let's see. Type coding 1. Name is good. Index.js. Maybe we'll bring the TypeScript later. Okay. Installing the packages. Installing the TypeScript. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. CSC init. Initialize the TypeScript. It's done. Good. Good. Oh, that's nice. Up to now. Okay, decorated mood because of the type ORM. As you know, the type ORM, maybe I can show you somehow during this works. Type ORM. Okay, let me show you the type ORM. This is the type ORM object relational mapping that it's somehow like a JPA in a Spring Boot, if you're familiar with, and it makes the entities and everything one-to-one, many-to-many, many-to-one, and etc. And I like it because it's more class-based, and I like it more than Prisma. So because of that, I told it to do it. Let me apply the Docker Compose. Let me see if the Docker is running. Okay. Okay, let us bring down and through the Docker Compose up and build. Okay. Let's see. Pages are 8. Still pulling the images. If you see, I will close it. Okay. 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 Everything is fine. Database ready to accept the connection. Perfect. Let us see the Docker. Okay, the container is running and it is exposing the port 5432, which is the default port of the Postgres. And now we can continue to next step. Let me close this so that everything is still working. Okay, fine. And now I have started the DB on Docker, and so continue with development. Okay. Okay, it's creating entities. Let us open to see. Okay, it's using TypeScript as we said, and as you see, it's bringing the entities, and as much as I'm concerned, it is actually good. And put some validations inside and made the classes and made the middleware. Not yet. Okay. Before that is proceed, write tests for this step, run the tests. After all green, go to next step. Okay, we are going to. Okay, it's using jest, which is the common a library for testing in JavaScript ecosystem or TypeScript ecosystem, better to say. Moment. And did not make environments. Okay. Need to start to run the tests. If anything has a problem, it will occur during the test running, which is very important. Yeah, the best thing is that you just keep small steps and go on and test. Run the application first. I need to manual check it. Okay, let's see how does it work. Okay, the application failed. And let's see what's the problem. Probably the database connection should be a problem. Yeah, I guess so. It will find it. I put it in background because it seems like it was hanged inside that step. Okay, still problem. Yes. Still error. And maybe we put the error there. Maybe close this one also. It found where is the problem. The problem is possibly in the database connection, because we don't have any configuration for that, because there is no env package. You see, it cannot it cannot find it because you never made any .env file and fetched the db in envs, obviously. Okay, you see the data source. This is a db.host. It should comes from somewhere. You have to have such as this db host inside your. You're absolutely right, and you have to have such as these environments inside your host, or you have to have the environment package. So what is this telling? Okay, it's telling me to make it .env. Okay, before that, because of security reasons, make a git repo first and git ignore and ignore the .env file. If you have a typo, doesn't matter because the AI understand what you say. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now I will make a .env. Write the ends based on Docker compose side it. I guess it did not do it by itself because maybe because of the security reasons or something like that. I will put them here and okay, done. And let's see how does it work. Okay, let us run. Maybe use hot reload. Okay, we have already the hot reload. Let's see package JSON dev. Okay, run npm run dev. Okay, still we have a problem. As error. You see, that is one of the problems with the AIs. It's a couple of things, not a very, you see the middleware is empty, the controller is empty, it made the models, it made no route, it made only the data connection. And this simple thing goes inside the rabbit hole now. And now the server is running. Okay, make a simple route for help and create a curl command to test it. Just close the things that we don't need because it can use a lot of RAM and everything. Okay. Okay, let me open it and curl it. Okay, status okay, 200. Nice. Now make a git commit and push it to my GitHub repo. Make a vibe coding repo and push it there. Okay, okay. Publish the branch to a public repository. Done. Let us open on GitHub. And everything is there. Okay. Let's go to next step. bring this down. Okay, everything is fine. Expense, made the controller. Create expense, get expenses, is making a crude update expenses, and everything looks fine up to now. Okay. Write test for all endpoints and run them until all green and have almost 100% test coverage. Let's make a commit using AI again. Nice. Actually, I guess cursor works better for TypeScript if you want to compare it with Java, because I did some Spring Boots, but it was in the rabbit hole. I guess because of the context, project context is definitely bigger. We have a failed test. Project context is definitely bigger.